A side table with wheels can be super helpful, moving it quickly. And getting it where you really need it. If it's near a pool like this one, make sure to use wheels with a locking mechanism. This way, you can secure it in place and prevent accidents. This technique is simple, and will make any room look modern and tasteful. During its upgrade, this patio ceiling was insulated because it has an enclosed sunroom above. Larissa had this dresser that wasn't solid wood and didn't match the style of her house, so she flipped it. She covered the doors and drawers in pole wrap, which is a moisture-proof material. She painted the piece in black using a Graco paint sprayer, and added removable marble contact paper. Here's an idea to cover up a radiator with, a DIY stylish furniture piece. A tip to keep the same distance between the wood stripe is to use the actual pieces as measurements. This creator used an IKEA floating shelf and a Noxa design light to give his living room an upgrade. This company offers customizable, smart lighting solutions with over 10 million solid colors. Some studies have shown that brighter light can intensify emotions, and different colors set different moods. Jeff shows us how to give your bedroom a facelift in no time using headboards from Cabecera Modulada. This Brazil-based company offers adhesive headboards in a variety of models, textures, and colors. Installing LED lights in your kitchen gives such a modern look to the space. Moni attaches them under the counter using silicone, and hides the power supply under the cabinets. Jade had an overgrown herb garden, and she turned it into a versatile outdoor bar area. She thrifted the unit, and used Ronseal's 10-year waterproof wood paint in black to give it satin finish. Wall art creates a finishing element that harmonizes the room's furniture, decor, lighting, and color palette. Painting your walls black can open up a space, making it feel larger, airier, and more inviting than you think. Precision is key when painting, so masking tape and a steady hand will be your best allies. This hack consists of filling plastic bags with concrete and completing the path. When they solidify, the bags are fired with a gas burner and the concrete stones say. Instead of using thin-set mortar, this creator uses muscle-bound adhesive for the backsplash in her coffee bar. This is a heavy-duty double-sided tape for an easy and mess-free installation of tiles. Instead of buying a large mirror, Jade uses black paint and smaller ones. To choose the right size and the shape of the mirror she wants. Wall accents aren't just a pretty way of decorating. They also are used to make an appliance look better integrated. Like this project to decorate the side of a TV set. It balances the wall decoration and creates a shelf to place your remotes. Renovating a bathroom, even only aesthetically, can be very expensive. But with paint and patience, you can make it look brand new. Each tile needs 2 coats of paint to make sure the old color doesn't come through. A layer of varnish helps keep it in good condition for longer. Kelsey used vinyl wood planks in a herringbone pattern to give a modern look to her hallway. Even though the planks are sticky, she makes sure to nail them to the ceiling for extra safety. If your ceiling is textured, it is recommended to sand it out a little bit beforehand. Sliding barn doors are ideal for tight spaces, as they require less room to open than swinging doors. Stretch ceilings can easily be mounted on any frame shape, without the need for construction work. A new cover and some staples are all you need to make this sofa look brand new. Paint, marble effect spray paint, and epoxy can make a great combo to give a new look to your furniture. Instead of buying a new piece of furniture, Brazilian creator JADE.DOUCH wrapped it with vinyl sticker that imitates wood to make it look like brand new. Blowing it with a hairdryer thickens the adhesive and helps to get the curvatures straight. Who would have thought that $77 worth of pennies could make such an elegant floor? A couple of handles and some sticky paper can turn a garage door from basic to amazing.